Tri-Cities area, folks doing what they can to ensure operations return to normal. That includes Greene County. News Channel 11's Brooke Kendall was there to hear how crews are helping with recovery from the recent winter weather.
Greeneville was among one of the areas that got hit hard this winter storm, where the Public Works director tells me crews are working overtime to clear roads. Greeneville saw dangerous conditions with near 10 inches of snow.
This one was actually bigger than the last storm we had. The last count I had, it was like 10 inches of snow. We started with 5-man crews, 5 trucks Friday. We put out 2,000 gallons of brine in preparation for this storm.
That storm left many roads covered with snow and ice over the weekend. Public Works Director William Barner says with the severity of this winter storm, crews have been working continuous 12-hour shifts to treat roads.
Mainly the residential streets were hit, and just everywhere in general. The 441 streets that we have, they all got hit about the same.
Those crews have been driving around 5 snowplow trucks with 140 tons of salt to treat 441 city streets and 112 road miles.
A lot of the main roads, we have cleared those, but the secondary roads are still ice covered, and that's why we have the trucks out now salting and getting in preparation to get it pushed off the streets.
Barner adds main roads are mostly clear while secondary back roads continue to be covered in ice and snow as they continue to treat them.
If you put salt down and it's below freezing, it won't do any good. It doesn't activate until it's above freezing. So hopefully tomorrow when the temperature rises, I think it's supposed to be 40 degrees or so, and the temperature come up.
The Public Works Director tells me all roads should be clear by tomorrow when the temperature hits above freezing again. In Greeneville, Brooke Kendall, News Channel 11.